Have you ever finished a woodworking project only to discover that nothing lines up quite the way you planned? The first board is perfect. The second looks good. The third seems close enough. But by the time you've assembled the final piece, gaps start appearing. Lines don't align. Dimensions drift. Shelves lean slightly. Slats become uneven. Suddenly, a project that looked professional in your imagination feels homemade in the worst possible way. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. In fact, one of the biggest challenges facing beginner and intermediate woodworkers isn't a lack of skill. It's a lack of systems. Many people believe professional woodworkers achieve perfect results because they measure more carefully. The truth is often the opposite. Professional woodworkers measure less. Instead of relying on endless calculations and repeated markings, they create systems that eliminate opportunities for error. They use stop blocks, reference faces, physical templates, repeatable setups, and these simple strategies allow them to transform piles of random offcuts into furniture and decor that look remarkably precise. Welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, we're diving into the smart measuring and cutting strategies that can dramatically improve your woodworking projects. Whether you love woodworking or chic home decor, this project will inspire you. Stick around, grab your tools, and let's build something unique and beautiful together. You won't want to miss this. These techniques don't require expensive machinery or advanced mathematics. Instead, they rely on consistency, repeatability, and thoughtful workflow design. By the end of this video, you'll understand why professional woodworkers trust systems more than rulers and how those systems can help you create cleaner, faster, and more accurate projects while reducing waste and maximizing every piece of wood in your workshop. Let's get started. One of the most common mistakes woodworkers make is treating every cut as a separate event. Imagine you're building a decorative wall panel that requires 20 identical wooden slats. The typical approach goes something like this. Measure the first piece. Mark it. Cut it. Measure the second piece. Mark it. Cut it. Repeat 20 times. At first glance, this seems logical. After all, you're measuring each board carefully. But every measurement introduces a tiny opportunity for error. Perhaps the tape measure shifts slightly. Maybe the pencil line is a fraction too thick. Maybe the saw blade drifts just a little. Individually, these differences appear insignificant. Collectively, they become a problem. This phenomenon is often called measurement drift. Tiny inaccuracies accumulate until they become visible. And once they become visible, the project begins losing its professional appearance. Experienced woodworkers avoid this issue through a concept known as batching. Instead of treating each piece individually, they treat identical parts as a group. This is where stop blocks become incredibly valuable. A stop block is one of the simplest tools in woodworking. It's nothing more than a physical stop positioned at a specific location. Yet its impact can be transformative. Once the stop block is set, every board is cut against the same reference point. No repeated measurements. No repeated markings. No opportunities for incremental errors. The first piece matches the second. The second matches the 10th. The 10th matches the 20th. Consistency becomes automatic. This simple strategy dramatically improves accuracy while also increasing efficiency. The beauty of stop blocks is that they replace thinking with repeatability. Once the setup is correct, the system does the work. Professional shops rely heavily on this principle because consistency matters more than individual precision. A perfectly measured board means very little if every other board differs slightly. Matching components create professional results. The next concept that separates skilled woodworkers from frustrated beginners is the use of standardized reference faces. This idea sounds technical, but it's surprisingly simple. Every board has slight variations. Even when lumber appears straight, tiny differences exist. Edges may not be perfectly parallel. Faces may not be perfectly flat. If measurements are taken from different surfaces each time, inconsistency emerges. Reference faces solve this problem. The concept involves selecting one face and one edge as the primary references throughout the project. Every measurement originates from these surfaces. Every cut references these surfaces. Every layout operation depends on these surfaces. By establishing consistency at the beginning, accuracy improves throughout the entire build. Think of it like navigation. If everyone starts from the same location, reaching the destination becomes easier. Reference faces create that shared starting point. They provide stability in a process filled with variables. Many woodworking errors occur not because measurements are wrong, but because measurements originate from different references. Consistency solves that problem. As projects become larger, templates become increasingly valuable. Templates represent one of the most powerful yet underutilized tools in woodworking. Most people instinctively reach for a tape measure. Professionals often reach for a template. Imagine creating decorative wooden slats for a feature wall. Each slat requires the same angle, the same length, the same profile. Repeated measuring will consume enormous amounts of time. Instead, a single master template can be created. Once perfected, every future component follows the same pattern. The template becomes the standard. Accuracy improves. Production speeds increase. Mistakes decrease. Perhaps most importantly, confidence grows. There is tremendous reassurance in knowing every part will match because every part comes from the same reference. Templates eliminate uncertainty. They transform woodworking from a series of individual decisions into a predictable system. This philosophy becomes especially important when working with reclaimed materials and random offcuts. Many woodworkers struggle with offcuts because they view them as leftovers. Pieces too small for serious projects. Odd dimensions. Awkward lengths. Yet professional craftsmen often see these pieces differently. They see inventory, opportunity, potential. The challenge isn't the material. The challenge is organization. When standardized systems are introduced, offcuts become remarkably useful. A collection of shortboards can become decorative wall art. Small hardwood pieces can become coasters. Narrow strips can become accent panels. The possibilities expand dramatically when dimensions become intentional. This is where batching and templating work together. Instead of cutting pieces randomly, the woodworker creates a plan. Every offcut receives a purpose. Waste decreases. Efficiency increases. Material yield improves. The workshop becomes more sustainable. And sustainability is becoming increasingly important in modern woodworking. Every board represents resources, time, energy, natural materials. Maximizing those resources benefits both the environment and the craftsman. One of the most overlooked aspects of woodworking efficiency is setup time. Beginners often focus exclusively on cutting and assembly. Professionals pay close attention to preparation because preparation determines outcomes. Imagine spending 10 minutes carefully setting up a stop block system. At first, it feels slow. You haven't cut anything yet. Progress appears minimal. But over the course of 50 identical cuts, that setup saves significant time. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves woodworking. Let's create and decorate together. More importantly, it improves consistency. The upfront investment produces long-term benefits. This principle applies throughout woodworking. Thoughtful preparation often reduces frustration later. The workshop becomes calmer. Decisions become simpler. Results become more predictable. And predictable results create confidence. Confidence is an underrated woodworking tool. When you trust your process, you work more efficiently. You make fewer mistakes. You enjoy the craft more. One reason professional furniture often appears so refined is that it relies on repeatable systems rather than constant improvisation. The process becomes structured. The structure creates quality. Another important strategy involves story sticks. A story stick is essentially a physical measuring device created specifically for a project. Instead of writing dimensions on paper and repeatedly consulting a tape measure, critical measurements are transferred directly onto a wooden strip. This strip becomes the project's reference guide. Distances can be marked instantly. Components can be compared directly. Errors caused by reading numbers disappear. The story stick eliminates translation. There is no need to convert measurements from drawing to tape measure to workpiece. The information exists physically. Many traditional craftsmen relied heavily on story sticks because they understood an important truth. Every time information changes form, opportunities for error increase. Keeping information physical reduces those opportunities. This strategy may seem old-fashioned, but it remains incredibly effective. Sometimes the simplest solutions survive because they work. As woodworking projects grow larger, alignment becomes increasingly important. Decorative wall panels provide a perfect example. A single slat positioned incorrectly may seem insignificant, but repeated dozens of times, alignment errors become obvious. This is why professional woodworkers often create assembly jigs. A jig is essentially a device that holds components in the correct position. It removes guesswork. Instead of measuring every gap individually, the jig establishes spacing automatically. Every component aligns perfectly because the system enforces consistency. Again, the theme remains the same. Professionals do not rely on repeated precision. They rely on systems that guarantee precision. The distinction matters. Human beings make mistakes. Good systems minimize the impact of those mistakes. This philosophy extends far beyond woodworking. But woodworking makes the lesson visible. When components fit together perfectly, the benefits become obvious. One of the greatest advantages of systematic woodworking is scalability. A project that works once is useful. A project that works repeatedly is transformative. Imagine building a decorative shelf, then building 10 more. Without systems, each shelf requires the same level of effort. With systems, production becomes dramatically more efficient. Templates already exist. Stop blocks remain in place. Jigs simplify assembly. Quality becomes easier to maintain. This scalability is what allows small workshops to produce professional results consistently. The craftsman focuses less on measurement and more on craftsmanship. Creative energy shifts from problem-solving to refinement. That shift is powerful because woodworking should feel rewarding, not exhausting. As skills develop, many woodworkers discover that precision isn't really about numbers. It's about relationships. A shelf doesn't care whether it's exactly 24 inches long. What matters is that both sides match. A decorative panel doesn't require mathematical perfection. It requires visual consistency. The eye notices differences. The eye appreciates alignment. Professional-looking work often emerges from relational accuracy rather than absolute accuracy. Templates, stop blocks, reference faces, story sticks, and jigs all support this concept. They create relationships between components. Those relationships produce harmony. Harmony creates quality. Another important benefit of systematic measuring is reduced mental fatigue. Decision-making consumes energy. Repeated measuring requires constant attention. Every mark becomes another opportunity for doubt. Did I read the tape correctly? Did I mark the right side of the line? Did I count for blade thickness? Systems eliminate many of these questions. The process becomes smoother. The workshop feels less stressful. Energy can be directed toward creativity rather than error prevention. That makes woodworking more enjoyable. And enjoyment matters, because the best woodworking habits are the ones you'll continue using. As projects become more sophisticated, these strategies become even more valuable. Furniture components must align. Joinery must fit. Decorative elements must repeat consistently. The margin for error shrinks. Yet the solution remains surprisingly simple. Better systems, not necessarily better tools. Many woodworkers assume professional results require expensive machinery. While quality tools certainly help, systems often matter more. A craftsman with modest equipment and excellent processes can outperform someone with expensive tools and poor workflow. The difference lies in consistency. Consistency creates trust. Trust creates quality. Quality creates confidence. And confidence encourages growth. When you look at a beautifully crafted woodworking project, it's easy to admire the final result. The clean lines, the perfect alignment, the professional appearance. What you don't see are the systems behind it. The stop blocks, the templates, the reference faces, the preparation. Yet those invisible systems are often responsible for the visible quality. That's one of the great lessons of craftsmanship. Success is rarely accidental. It emerges from thoughtful processes repeated consistently. In the end, woodworking isn't just about cutting wood. It's about creating order from randomness, transforming rough material into something purposeful, turning offcuts into valuable designs, and perhaps most importantly, developing systems that allow creativity to flourish. Because when measurement drift disappears, alignment improves, and waste decreases, something remarkable happens. The workshop becomes more efficient, the projects become more professional, and the craft itself becomes more enjoyable. The next time you're preparing to build something, resist the temptation to reach for the tape measure over and over again. Instead, ask yourself a different question. What system can I create that eliminates the need for repeated measuring? Because the secret to scaling up your woodworking projects isn't measuring more. It's measuring smarter. And once you discover that difference, you'll never look at your workshop the same way again. That's all for today's Decor Ideas episode. I hope you're feeling inspired to create something amazing. Subscribe and stay connected for more woodworking and decor projects. Until next time, keep creating.